Okay, well, here we are once again, but this time we're doing series 2 of the Heroes. That's right, we're going to unbox the Space Marine Heroes 2, Heroes Series 2. And let's see what we get. Once again, we're going to do the same thing as I did last time. I'm very new to this. Um, small channel, as you will note. So please like and subscribe to the video and to the channel. And once we hit 250 subscribers, I will be giving away one of the doubles that I get. If the video hits 1,000 likes, I'll give another double away, and the winner will get to choose. There, from the last video in one of the doubles was the rocket guy. So the guy that's got the rocket coming out from this series 1 is one of the doubles. So make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm gonna give one away, and the winner gets to choose which one. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna want the rocket guy. And if that video hits 1,000 views, likes, whatever, we hit 1,000 on that one. I'll even paint it for the guy or gal who wins it, and paint it up to for whichever army they want, or keep it on the sprue, make it a showpiece. It'll be up to the winner to decide. But let's go get to the unboxing. All right. So here we have it. Ooh, pardon me. We'll slice open the old package from the bottom and work our way open. We get the plastic put away right into the garbage right away. So here are the 6 that we will be checking out today. And hopefully, we're going to get one of the cool ones. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm thinking the guy with the 2 guns looks pretty cool. Wouldn't mind a double of him. Wouldn't mind a double with the guy with the plasma. Or the flamer. So those are the 3 doubles I want. So we'll hope for those ones. Now, I'm a little sip of coffee here. Hopefully that gets that little tickle out of my throat. Well, what should we start with? This one. Okay, so the first one we are opening up. Looks like we get the guy with the gun and the knife. Oh no, it's just a knife. He's got the knife. And his name is... Oh, he's got a sweet name. Brother Furio. Okay, maybe I want a couple Brother Furios, because that's just a sweet name. Alright, we'll put him back in the box. Put it over side, just like we did last time. Get to the next one. So we got one Brother Furio. Brother with a knife.
Okay, so this guy is Brother Lucian. He's the guy right beside Brother Furio in there. Aiming down his bolter. Ready to take a shot. Probably at some orc. Looks like he'd be ready to fight orcs. He's got the right scream on his face. So it's Brother Lucian, right? Brother Lucian, yes. So we got Brother Lucian, we got Brother Furio. Let's go with the top corner here. Oh, we got the guy with the plasma. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. And his name, Brother Corfal. Brother Corfal. Alright. I did say I wanted one of the plasma guys. But I don't know, it's hard to say. Maybe I want Brother Furio to be a double. Just because of the name, man. That name is pretty sweet. Let's grab this one next. Let's go random. You never know what you're going to get. It's like those, those chocolates in a box. Oh, here's the guy that's got the two guns. I can tell just by the sprue. And his, yeah, Brother Vesta. Oh, yeah, he's got a sweet name, too. Alright. Let's take this one here. Okay, so we've opened 4. We've gotten singles so far, so we're getting close to the doubles territory now. Oh no, we've got the Flamer guy. He is Brother Seraphon. Yeah, that's a pretty cool name. I wouldn't mind doubles of him. He's pretty badass. Pretty badass. Remember, like if we hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to give one of the doubles away. And I did get a double of the Rocket guy from Series 1 from the last video. So, like that's pretty sweet if you ask me. And if we hit, say, 500 subscribers, well, I'll give another one of the doubles away. And, like we get enough views and likes and all that stuff, I'll even paint them. Before, like the winner's gonna get the choice. Winners are gonna get the choice. We'll have to figure out how we're gonna give them who's gonna win. I got a couple ideas. Figure out how to do the giveaway. I know. I got a couple ideas. All right, so we've opened 5, and so far have not got a single double yet, which is pretty sweet, if you ask me. So we got to be opening the doubles here. So like you said, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that. Okay, here we go. We got our first double. It's Lucian. Plain Brother Lucian. From the guy in the middle, looking down his sights at the orcs, like I said before. All right. So the only guy we have left is the grenade guy. Tossing the grenade. And another double. Because this one was a double. This one here is a double. So let's see. I want the grenade guys so then we can have a random for the last one. Because I think that having a random for the last one is going to be the best part. We got to make... Blood it out slowly. Okay, yes, it's the grenade guy. Perfect. Okay, so the last one we don't know what it's gonna be. We don't know. And this is Brother Arturos. Brother Arturos. he is throwing the grenade. As you can see on his little card, he's got the grenade going off here. So we've got one of each so far, and doubles of Lucian. Right, so of all these guys here, we have doubles of Lucian. And we've got every single one. So, knowing that, Furio with the knife as like, he's just too plain, but his name is awesome. His name is awesome. Should have given the guy with the flamer. The flamer should have been named Furio. Furio with the flamer would have been way cooler. All right, let's find out what we got here. What do we got? Okay. We got a Furio. Brother Furio is the other double. So that's cool because he's got the cool name. But I would have preferred to have like a plasma guy or this guy with the two guns. Be the doubles. All right, so we got Brother Furio and we got Brother Lucian as the doubles. Bit of a letdown, but hey, it's still fun. So, make sure you like and subscribe to the video, guys and gals. And we're going to give one of these away, one of the doubles from Series 1. Again, we had the guy with the rocket, which was Brother Carol, I believe. Yeah, Brother Carol. So we got a double of him from the last video to give away. But we got to hit that subscriber mark. We got to hit 250 subscribers. We're pretty low right now. I think we're still in the single digits. You can really help out. It's not going to be hard to hit 250 with a bunch of you guys, jumping in. And the other double from the first series that we got was Brother Marzio, and so he's got a gun and a grenade ready to be thrown, but he's not throwing it. It's just in his hand, ready to be thrown. So, those are the doubles we got. Like and subscribe. Please, 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 please. And we will see you in the next one. So I'm going to head back over to the desk, and I will see you there.
Again, that was super fun. Super fun. I'm going to do some more unboxing. I've got a couple other things we can do. And look back to the channel. We're also going to start doing some build videos and painting videos, and hopefully we'll have a whole bunch of fun doing all that stuff. So make sure you like and subscribe. Again, my name is Crasher. Here I go by Crash TV. On Twitch, I'm Crash247. Crasher247, and hope to see you next time.